What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. We're gonna dive in even deeper into what Fed Chair Powell and his speech that he just did could mean for Tonic and the Cronos ecosystem altogether in the future, guys. It's looking very bullish. I've been saying this in my previous videos. It's looking like the start of the bull. Corrections will happen, yes, but they won't be anything major. Like, we won't see any altcoins dropping 99% anymore, right? We won't see Tonic making any large dumps anymore. It's gonna be minor corrections, and then bullish news, move up. Bullish market, move up. It's just gonna take time. It's just gonna be at a steady pace, right? Slow and steady wins the race. It's really about patience in this space, guys. I have so many stories I could tell you guys on how I missed out on like 6 figures in crypto because I didn't hold long enough on a project. AI projects are going crazy right now, and one of them I was in. All I had to do was hold for like 6 to 7 months. 6 figures right now, guys. It's really about diamond handing into projects you believe in, being patient, guys. I'm telling you, right? That is the best way to make gains in crypto. Don't ever sell too quickly. You might sell for a 2x 3x, and then you miss out on 100, 200, 400x. This is what people fail. This is something people fail to realize, right? Especially since after that crazy bear market that we had, I know a lot of people are super on edge, and a lot of people lost money, so they're super cautious, right? So we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how it plays out. Always remember the DCA in. If we do have one more big drop, your dollar cost averaging in what you could afford to lose, and then we go full bull, and then you see those life-changing gains in the future. And that's just how it is. It's just that simple, right? So guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel once again. I really appreciate all of you for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Support my previous videos, guys, and my Tonic playlist. Doing my best to give you guys as much value as possible. Let's go through coin market cap, the community tab for Tonic, see what people are saying. From EQG, pretty obvious that if they slow down token emission, APY will also slow down. The point of it is to make the value of the token increase. Couldn't agree more. I know a lot of people may be upset that the emissions have slowed down, the APY have slowed down, but now that it has, that is less tokens to be added to circulation, less tokens to be able to be dumped on the market, and then the value of the Tonic project will increase. Now, it's also from the protocol update, they said that a lot of transaction fees are helping them to offset the reduction in APY, right? So when as the protocol develops and there's more and more people using the Tonic protocol and its DeFi aspects, the fees that they generate from transactions will be able to probably give better APY in the future, right? But nothing happens right away. It takes time, right? Everything takes time. Tonic to the moon. Tonic, my daily vault earnings went from 1.8 million tokens to only a little over 600k per day. That's annoying. Could completely agree with that, guys. That is. But if you think about the long term of the project, I know the rewards have reduced, but less inflation for the project, and all the tokens that are being sent out, it's just better for the price overall long term. When you're ready to unlock from your staking vault, you're gonna see crazy a crazy price for Tonic and be like, well, I mean, that's bullish. I'm happy about that. If they kept I'm sure the team knows what they're doing, so if they kept the rewards the same pace that they're at, it probably would cause the price of Tonic to just tank. It probably would cause the price of Tonic to keep falling and not have as much stability as it has. you guys see how the chart is holding up. It's holding up very well, right? So, you know, I'm sure the team knows what they're doing. I could understand people's frustrations, you know, but this is just my opinion. From Davo7, can't believe how well Tonic has held its price with just a slight dip over the last couple weeks. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. I just feel something big is going to happen in the next few days. Either way, I won't be offloading any of my investment if it's a drop. I'm here for the future, but fingers crossed it'll put a smile on all of our faces. Stay strong. You've got to be in it to win it. Shout out to Davo7 for that, but he's so on point with what he said here, right? And he said he expects something big to happen in the next few days. I'm telling you guys, in the next few days, the weeks, long as the market sentiment stays the way it is and we keep being bullish, you're gonna see Tonic start making moves to the upside, right? Right here from ADP, want to buy more, but it ain't dropping enough. That's what I'm saying. A lot of people are looking for their entries, but the chart is holding up so strong they can't get their entry, and then they're gonna be waiting. It's just like how the whole market is gonna be in general. The larger market, there's gonna be a lot of people sitting on the sidelines waiting for things to retrace, to come back down, to fall, and they're just gonna keep going up. And eventually they're gonna have to buy at higher prices. They're gonna have to FOMO in, which then pushes up, you know, the price even more. We have the FOMO fifth wave and Elliott wave theory, just, you know, just constantly pushing up the price because the bears are thinking, or people are thinking, yo, will this drop anymore? Can I get a better entry? And the entry never comes, and then, you know, we just keep moving up further, and, you know, you're gonna have to get in where, you know, wherever, you know, that opportunity presents itself. From Lloydster, tomorrow begins the next stage in the token emission schedule for year 2. I have mixed feelings about it. It's saying vault rewards will be reduced, however the rate of inflation for Tonic will slow down, increasing the value. So if the reward rate slows down but the coin price goes up, are we still winning no matter what happens, right? And this is the take that I'm trying to portray to you guys when I'm explaining where I'm coming from. So I do see the positive for what the team has done for the protocol update, and, you know, I'm sure, you know, long term it's gonna, you know, work out very well for Tonic as a whole, as a project, you know, in general, right? From investing.com, breaking: US stocks jumped during Fed Chair Powell's speech. S&P 500 up over 1%. We are moving up in the stock market. The broader markets are getting bullish. It's only a matter of time until the crypto market gets bullish. Crow and Tonic follow, guys. I'm telling you, watch a groove. Justin, Fed Chair Powell says he expects 2023 to be a year of significant decline in inflation. Let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. The reason why we had this terrible crash in so many projects, right? Tonic is not the only project that, you know, had this crash because of, you know, the bear market that we had. Inflation was one of the reasons why that happened. Now that we're seeing a reduce in inflation, a significant decline in inflation, sentiment for the economy, the stock market, the crypto market is going to turn around and flip bullish. It's already happening. I'm seeing it everywhere. Everyone is getting more and more bullish, right? We could check the fear and greed index right now. I'm sure we're in greed. When we take a look at the Tonic chart, the move that we made is minuscule in comparison to what we'll see in the future, and it's gonna be a bull trend up and to the right, guys. From Ignatius, looks like the market loved Powell's speech. And then we had a huge breakout on the SPY, guys. I'm telling you, game of trades, the market continues to rally following Powell's speech. Rising channel plus bullish momentum point towards upwards, and we see this trend. It's happening all over all the markets, guys. It's only a matter of time until it starts to happen for the Crow ecosystem, Crow, Tonic, VVS, you name it. It's just patience, guys. I'm telling you. Let's take a look at a fear and greed index to cap the video off real quick. crypto fear and greed index. Right now we're at neutral. How long has it been since we've been at neutral? Yesterday we were at greed. Last month we were at extreme fear. The sentiment is starting to flip, and you know, strong projects like Tectonic will start to shine, guys. It's only a matter of time. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Really appreciate all the support on these videos. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.